So welcome back to their best laptop setups video. This is episode number 28. Huge shout out to the winner of episode 27, Anthony. Everyone loved your setup. You're getting a $100 Amazon gift card. And I've also chosen a commenter who's also getting a $100 Amazon gift card. Now, what's really surprised me is a lot of people didn't leave their TikTok or Instagram usernames. It's free money. So if you want to win $100 as well, drop your username in the comment section below and you might win $100. Now this week we got some great setups, and the first one is coming from Chris, and he has a very simple and clean setup. There's nothing fancy on here, but it's clean, it's functional, and it's a great place to work. He's rocking the M2 MacBook Air, it's the base model, and he has this attached to a Dell S2421H monitor. I'm assuming it's a 24-inch monitor. I really dig that laptop stand. I'm not sure where it's from, but it looks like a Grove-made laptop stand possibly. It matches the color of his desk, which is this nice brown color. The speakers are the Logitech Z333 speakers. He's using a Keychron S1 mechanical keyboard. This is a fantastic device. And his mouse is a Logitech, but it's not the MX Master, which I'm sure we'll see later in this video. Besides that, everything else looks good. He has an iPad there. His cable management looks to be pretty solid. He has a little bit of RGB in the background. His books are nicely organized. Overall, a fantastic setup. The second setup comes from Hanif. He's from Germany. He's a photographer, he's a student, he works at a pharmacy, and this setup is for a little bit of gaming, some light work, and of course, planning and editing. Overall, I dig the look of this. You know, it's not fancy. It's just a laptop sitting on the table, but it's the space around it that he really nailed. It looks super clean, and there's two vibes going on here. When it's the daytime and the RGB is off, it feels like a clean and functional setup. But as soon as he hits those drapes and he throws them down, or it gets dark outside, the neon lights come on, the RGB's cranked up, and it feels super retro. The laptop of choice is an Acer Aspire 7 with a 17-inch screen, and it's using a GTX 1050. He says he games on this, but he must be playing some older titles because the 1050 is just not that capable. He does have an iPad in the corner. He has a couple of Logitech speakers. I love the pegboard in the back, and I love how you have it organized. It is so clean and functional. You have a combo touch keyboard that you say you use, a PlayStation controller. You also have a Rubik's Cube, headphones, picture, everything. It just looks very, very good. Look, it doesn't need to be fancy. You don't need to have a 42-inch monitor on your desk. In fact, he has no monitor at all. He just uses his laptop. But I love how he stores it when he's not actually using it, because it gives him the entire desk space if he needs to do something else. Setup number 3 comes from Fabio. He's from Italy. I like the look of this, you know? It's nothing fancy or schmancy, but it's like in the corner upstairs somewhere. You can tell by the slanted roof. It feels like a cozy place to sit and work at. He's using an older laptop, which is the Lenovo ThinkBook G2 Ryzen with a 4300U, but he does have it connected to a bigger monitor, a 24-inch Samsung display. It's 1080p, but it gives him more visual real estate to work with. Now, he does have a Demi-designed mouse pad, and his laptop usually stays in front so you can utilize 2 screens. He does sometimes put it away and brings out a keyboard, which happens to be the EpoMaker EP84, which is a mechanical keyboard. He does have a Rappu M300 silent mouse, but he also has a Logitech G403 wired mouse. His headset is from Corsair. It's the Void Elite wireless headset, and the headphones he uses are the Xiaomi Air 2 SE. Speakers on the sides are very budget friendly. They're the Logitech Z313. Now granted, I like the fact that he has a pegboard on the right hand side. It keeps his little things like his controllers and wires organized. This man is rocking a calendar, I dig it. Water bottle to the top right. He has a shelf to house his monitor on, but that desk was actually made by his father. Metal base with a wood sheet on top. You can tell they stained it black, a little plant in the corner. Overall, a very beautiful setup. The next setup, it has to be a troll. Like, the user's name in his email is MikeMatt, and it's nothing but a laptop on a table. Like, technically you could call this a setup, but personally, I think MikeMatt is trolling. He wants to flex that he was dumb enough to buy an Alienware X14 and overpay for a gaming laptop, when really he could have bought a G14 or even a Blade 14 and got faster performance. I get it, you're rich, Mike. I get it, you are. You have AirPods on the table, you're rocking the latest version of MX Master Mouse, and you're even buying overpriced water. Now this setup comes from Daniel. He's a professor. In fact, I know he's a professor immediately because he started the email as Dear Matthew Moniz. Most people just say, hey Matt, here's my setup, put it on the show, right? But anyways, this guy's been using a ThinkPad for over 20 years and he just recently switched to Apple. And when I saw this setup, I could tell right away a professor was using it. Granted though, I've seen a lot of professor setups. His is very nicely organized. Most professors that I know have books and everything all over the place, so I do respect the fact that he keeps everything nice and clean. Even his desk is an old antique look. You know, it's brown, it's clean, there's regular storage, and then when you look at the background, he has his books nicely organized in a shelf. The room is absolutely clean. He has some natural light coming in, which I really do appreciate. It's so simple, there's no RGB, there's nothing trying to overcome this setup. It is what it is, you know? I like the fact that he has a big monitor on a monitor arm. This is the Dell 34-inch widescreen or ultra-wide display. And then he has his MacBook on the right-hand side, which happens to be a MacBook Pro 14. And then he has a mouse pad. He's rocking the latest MX Master 3S mouse. I told you we would see one in the setup. And then there's a Logitech MX mechanical keyboard with a wrist rest. He's using the Apple MagSafe charger, Apple iPad Pro. He's using the Logitech Brio webcam, which I think is 4K. He obviously does a lot of Zoom calls and he takes it very seriously as he is using a Blue Yeti microphone. He has some budget speakers in the background, but obviously he's not using this to watch the latest movies or anything, but more so just for regular audio, let's say on YouTube. Now this setup comes from Bernhard. He's from Austria, and overall it's not a bad looking setup, but I feel like it just needs a couple of tweaks, you know? First of all, I like the fact that he's using a sit-stand desk. He's using the IKEA Idison, and then he has two Alex drawers. And then for the laptop of choice, he's rocking the Acer Aspire with a AMD Ryzen 5 4500U CPU. He has this on a laptop stand, which shares the arm with the monitor stand. Now, he does have two speakers on the left and right-hand side. There's a Xiaomi light bar on top. And then of course, just like the previous guy, he's using a Logitech MX Master, but he's rocking it with a Keychron K4 with brown switches. But I feel like it's a bit disorganized on the outsides. Like he has an iPad there's a bunch of knickknacks on top of the Alex drawers. He has some water, a Kleenex box. It just feels like it's pouring out of the sides. It just needs to be tidied up a bit. Also, I'm not a fan of where the painting is placed because it's a vertical painting, and because it's so reflective, it just doesn't go with the setup. What I would do is get a horizontal painting and place it just above the monitors going across, or you can get 3 paintings that go across the wall and that will fill up the space a lot nicer. Having one long vertical painting just looks kind of off, and there's a lot of reflection happening there, which must annoy you while you're working on the computer during the day. And the final setup comes from Psy. He is from the Philippines. He's an agricultural business student, and this is what he has for 2023. The cool thing is he was able to fit this inside of his dorm. Like, what kind of dorm rooms are these kids getting these days? Back in my day, it was like a closet and you had to share it with 14 men. Like, it was ridiculous. This is like spacious. He has a proper desk setup. He has everything he needs, but I dig it. You know, like he has a black and white theme going on with some soft RGB in the background, which happens to be the color white, which just adds a glowing effect to the entire process. He's using a white desk. I'm assuming it's from IKEA. And then he has a MacBook Pro i5, the 2019 model, on a laptop arm. And then attached on another monitor arm is a big widescreen monitor. It's the Sync H29, which is 29 inches, happens to be 2K and 75 Hertz. And then he has 2 speakers, which are also mounted from Edifier. These are the R1080BT. Overall, the aesthetics completely match and it looks really, really good. He has a massive mouse pad going across the desk. He has a Fiersis TN50 ergonomic chair. His webcam is from Red Dragon. He wrapped it with a white vinyl. Headphones are the Logitech G733 wireless headphones. Mouse is the TechWear Pulse Elite wireless, and he's using a custom Tom 680 wireless keyboard. The PC in the background, not very important since we're focusing on laptops, but I do love the look of this. He managed to make everything float, and you guys know how I feel about everything floating. It just gives it a unique look and a cool feel to the entire setup. All right, that wraps up episode number 28 of the best laptop setups. Let me know your favorite one in the comments below. It makes my life easier when I have to pick the best one. Also, don't forget to drop your username, regardless of whether it's TikTok or Instagram, so that you could potentially win $100 as well. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.